Let's begin today's discussion. Let's begin today's discussion. Use this when starting a business meeting. Thank you all for attending. Thank you all for attending. Use this to welcome everyone at the beginning of a meeting. Today's goal is to review our performance. Today's goal is to review our performance. Use this when explaining the purpose of the meeting. Let's look at the latest business results. Let's look at the latest business results. Use this when presenting recent performance. I have a few updates to share. I have a few updates to share. Use this before giving important information. Let's discuss the challenges we're facing. Let's discuss the challenges we're facing. Use this when talking about current business issues. We need to make a decision today. We need to make a decision today. Use this when emphasizing the importance of reaching a decision. I'd like to hear your opinion. I'd like to hear your opinion. Use this when inviting others to share their ideas. That's an excellent suggestion. That's an excellent suggestion. Use this when appreciating someone's idea. I agree with your recommendation. I agree with your recommendation. Use this when supporting another person's proposal. Let's consider another option. Let's consider another option. Use this when exploring different solutions. We should focus on our priorities. We should focus on our priorities. Use this when guiding the discussion toward important tasks. Based on the data, this is the best choice. Based on the data, this is the best choice. Use this when recommending a data-driven decision. Let's move forward with this plan. Let's move forward with this plan. Use this when everyone agrees on the next step. I'll document today's decisions. I'll document today's decisions. Use this when taking responsibility for meeting notes. We'll review the progress next week. We'll review the progress next week. Use this when planning the next status update. Everyone has completed their action items. Everyone has completed their action items. Use this when reviewing completed tasks. Thank you for your valuable input. Thank you for your valuable input. Use this when appreciating team contributions. Let's stay aligned with our goals. Let's stay aligned with our goals. Use this when reminding the team to focus on objectives. We achieved great results together. We achieved great results together. Use this when celebrating team success. Is there anything else to discuss? Is there anything else to discuss? Use this before ending a meeting. If there are no more questions, we'll conclude the meeting. If there are no more questions, we'll conclude the meeting. Use this when closing a meeting professionally. I'll send the meeting summary today. I'll send the meeting summary today. Use this when promising to share the meeting notes. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for your participation. Use this to thank everyone before ending the meeting. Have a wonderful and productive day. Have a wonderful and productive day. Use this as a warm, professional closing.